Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change our headlamp on the Ford Fusion. So once your Ford Fusion look like this, doesn't matter what year it is, as long as it look like this, it's going to be the same process or procedure to change it. So this is the headlamp we're changing. Same thing for the other side, so it doesn't matter which one you're doing, it's the same procedure. You can just follow the step and proceed at your own risk. And also, let's get started. So guys, this is the headlamp, and links will be in the description if I can find it. Down there, it will be down there. So this is the headlamp, guys. So one time for the thumbnail. Let's get back into it. Also, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow this channel. So first we got to take off the bumper, or take off this side of the bumper, the side that I'm working on. So that's what I'm going to start at. So I've take off the fender. There's one screw right here, one right here, but this part broken from the bumper, so no need to touch that. And that clip right here, and it's gonna be 7mm. So get this. So this is the clip, right? This is the clip. It goes in like this, and it open this wider, so that's why it lock. But you gotta separate the clip first. Once you separate the clip like this, you can pull it out. All right, back to here, we're gonna have one screw underneath here. It should be 7mm. So there it is right there. So guys, actually it's 8mm right here. I should know because it's Ford. They always use a whole bunch of different screws. So guys, it brings two 8mm that hold the bracket at the bottom, and then it have the bracket have like a clip that holding it up there. That's why I still can't take out the bumper, but once I remove the bumper and I have more room to show you with the camera, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So guys, this is the bracket. Once you take out the two screw, one that goes here, one that goes here. Once you take out these two 8mm, you now have to deal with the bracket. So you got to get like a flathead screwdriver to push between the bumper and the bracket from underneath here, from underneath right here, to pry down on this. So once you pry down on this, it's gonna pry down on this clip, and once that come out, then the bumper gonna come off like that. So now we gotta move over here to get these 10mm. I can take it out from here, I can take it out from here. So 10mm, I remove these clips. I think I'm missing something right here already, so no need to worry about that. So I'm gonna remove all these clips, and just like how I show you guys, it have to you have to separate the clips first, and once you separate the clips, then the clip's gonna come out. So once you remove all them clips, take this out. 10mm. make sure they're the same size. If not, stock them differently. So now what's holding the bumper is underneath the bumper, so you're gonna have some things, probably more 7mm underneath. You're gonna have one right here, one right here, and you're gonna have some in the front as well, one right here. So we're gonna remove those. So guys, this is as far as I think I need to take the bumper off. I don't think I need to take it off anymore than this. So we're gonna remove these two 10mm right here. Remove this, and we can unplug it once we bring the light forward a little bit more. Not a big deal. So what else we got? So far that's it. So guys, just remove this right here, 10mm. This is a torque bit and also a flathead screwdriver. I had used a flathead screwdriver to take that out. Now what you're gonna do is get you wanna get this pry tool, a clip puller, or a flathead screwdriver. Pry that out the hole right there like that, and then it should come off like this. So now once that's out, we can go ahead and unplug the light by squeezing this little tab right here. So we're just gonna squeeze that out, and once we squeeze that out, the light is ready to come out. So guys, now it's time to put this back in. I kind of put it the same way you take it out. Just snap this back in. The light don't stay where it is, and then we can start running these up. So actually something, I don't know who did this at the factory. I put this wrong, so I just gotta turn it around. Just gotta take it out, turn it around. Gotta turn both of them around. Should be on this side. So tighten up this, tighten up that. We just gotta hook these back together. We're going to catch back these 10mm, and we have to set the bumper underneath too, and also hook this right here. So guys, you just want to put back everything together, make sure everything works. Everything seems good so far, and the next thing you want to double check the light, make sure the light works. Even though you should have been checked the light, I should have checked the light, I didn't too, before you put everything back together.
Sometimes I don't even know. I got drunk. I was throwing up all over the place, going through the car.
Alright guys, so now we can see that the light working and everything. So yeah guys, we're gonna leave this one like this. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.